Heather, if you wonder that why is iPhone select text from photos not working, then here's some quick answer and step that you can follow to make it work. First, you just need to open your photos, and for example, I'm going to select text from this image. If you can't find any this type of icon, select text icon, then you can just go to the settings. Now go to the general. From here, tap on this language and region. Now in this section you will find this live text option. Make sure that this option is enabled on your device, so it can actually capture or select the text on your image or photos. And above. So first now you can just go to your photo. Now you can just tap on that icon. If you can find it, then you can just wait until this icon load or until this live text feature recognize your image text. So it might take some few minutes or some few seconds. So you can just go back and you can just close your photos application, then reopen your photo. Then you can just tap on it and tap on it again, and you can find it. Hopefully you can find this icon, and if you can find it, then that's when your image is not carrying or have the text clearly that can be recognized by the live text AI, so they can just select all your text from your image. So make sure that all of your text on the image is visible, like clearly visible, and there is no obstacle between them, or there is the blur or the low image quality also can be cause this type of issue. So you can do another thing. If you can find this icon here, you can just hold on the text that you want to copy. For example, I'm going to copy this text from here. Here you can see it has just recognized the text. You have to hold on that text, then you will find a selection tool here. So you can just drag it, and you can just tap on copy, and it will copy the text for you from that particular space on your image. That's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.